Hello everyone, we have shared in the previous video how to deal with the flower root after the orchid blooms. Share today if you cut off your flower roots and the bud points on the flower roots still have the possibility to grow. How to induce his flower root to grow buds. First, prepare 3 cloves of garlic. Chop the garlic. Add 300 milliliters of water. The next step is to find the pedicels that are still alive. The part that has bloomed is definitely useless. Cut it all off. Remove the cloak of this node. See if it has bud points. This one has buds, so you can try to make it bigger. What about the incision of this gland? Seal it with wax to prevent it from getting infected. Second, to prevent excessive water loss. Find a container and put this flower root in the container. Then soak in the previous garlic water for 30 minutes. Prepare another commonly used beverage bottle. Give it a big opening from the side. Find a thicker tissue to pad at the bottom of this. Then put those flower roots in the vase. Water spray. Take a look at this. About a month later, his teeth are a little bigger. There are 2 slightly larger blades. The third leaf is also growing. The root has 2 heart roots. It's too young. Continue to keep it in this bottle for maintenance. Maintain a humidity inside. If it dries, spray water. And here we are 3 months later. He is really much bigger. So it looks like 2 blades. In fact, his left blade. It's the smallest blade ever, growing bigger than the old leaf below. Like the current situation, the roots are also relatively long, and there are more than 3 roots. Then you can consider giving him an independent planting pot. So this is what I'm sharing today. Everyone is trying to reproduce with flower roots. Be sure to confirm this bud point before. If there are signs of germination, try again. This guarantees a higher success rate. Share this today. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.